Why book a vacation when you can live one every day?
I just wanna know what it is that we are before we're something else. I don't.
With views like these, when you walk in, all you can say is, wow.
Ever felt. I just wanna know what it is that we are before we're something else. I don't wanna let it go, 'cause this world that we built is better than the hell.
This condo is so rare, it's like having a two-story home in the sky.
Through silent nights, I had to give in my sanity to feel humanity. Can you set me?
Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of paradise on Pompano Beach.
Because I just want